You know, it's very helpful. Oh man, just got bit by an ant. Woo! That was a hard bite. Hopefully I won't turn into Ant-Man or Spider-Man, whatever it is. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. I'm gonna call this a pallet idea edition or DIY edition, but nonetheless, people have been asking me, Ricky, what do you use? What tools do you use? What tools do you recommend to do my pallet videos, or not pallet videos, unless you're doing pallet videos. They ask me, what should I use? What should I do if I have different pallet projects or woodworking projects? What tools, what things do you recommend me using and doing, or what do you use, Ricky? Well, this video is specifically for you. I'm gonna give you my top 5 tools that I recommend that everybody that has either woodworking projects or pallet ideas that they want to bring to pass, such as the lovely deck that you all help me bring to fruition. These are the things that you need, okay? These are like the tools that you need, and some of these, you know, you may say, oh, that's not really a tool. Well, to me, it's a tool. A tool is something that helps you to achieve your end goal beyond your 5 fingers or your hands or however many fingers that you have. So that is what I deem a tool. Therefore, that is what, and this is how the premises in which this video will come across. So this is specifically for you. Okay, so the first tool that I would recommend that everybody has is your simple drill. And I say simple drill because this is the one that you can like screw at the top to make it either tight or smaller, and you can adjust the speed at the top with how, you know, impactful that you want it to be. And even at the top, you can even turn it to decide how strong and how mighty and how, you know, forceful you want this thing to be and thing to run. This is very necessary. I use this tool to help like pre-drill a lot of my holes for my woodworking projects, because as you all know, when drilling, you can split the wood. So use this bad boy in line with splitting wood. You also want to have you a kit. Now this kit here is a drilling and driving kit, and it has a lot of the like pre-hole things and drills that you can use for either woodworking or wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. So it goes as strong as bricks and then as low as wood. So this is something that you want to get, and again, it's all dependent upon the type drill that you have. I'll put links below of different things that I recommend in each category so that you can get an idea, and it'll be like Amazon links that you can just click, go purchase if that's your thing. These things that I did purchase from Home Depot, so that is why it has the Ryobi brand. It is a Home Depot brand, but I will put a trusted brand in the description below so you can check that out here. Tool number 1, gotta have it. Okay. Tool number 2 is your impact drill. Now you may say, hey Ricky, you just talked about a drill. What's the difference between that drill, this drill, and this drill, the impact drill? Well, this one is a little bit more stronger, a little bit more power. It packs a punch. You see, it's smaller, it's more equipped to give you that aerodynamic impact, right? And so where this drill doesn't give you the necessary force, this one, my friends, steps in and get the job done. Now, one could say, why don't you just get this one? Why do you need both? Well, hey, you could be that one if you're trying to, you know, step your tool game up. This, I would say, is a good start to have, because you can pre-drill your different holes with this one and just switch out the top and then give it the impact punch that you need to get the screw in the hole, right? And you can literally do that. Now, again, I would recommend different tips, which this one is a little broken up. I do apologize. I did not get everything ready before this video. Let me do that. Okay, so I had this bad boy sitting in my shelf that I built yesterday. Make sure you go check that video out. I'll put a link below if you missed it. It was pretty cool. Everything is now organized. But anyway, here we go. Boom. All the different racks. Oh my gosh, it's all crooked. Like, whatever. Y'all get the idea. Obviously, it's broken. So you get the different tips, which you can just fit on the tip of the impact drill, depending on what you're drilling. If you need a Phillips head, if you need a flat head, if you need the little star tip, if you need different forms, if you need the extension with the whole like magnetic tip, it has it there for you, and it has the different sizes pertaining to whatever you're using. So boom, if it's like that, boom, fits right in there. You're good to go. You can drill and go, okay? Get your jobs done. And these little tips are very useful and necessary because clearly these drills don't come with tips. Therefore, you have to go and buy them. So this one is a nice set that I have. Again, I'll put links below of other ones that I do believe and know that are good as well. You have various brands now, you know, depending on the brand of drill set or even tool set that you choose could, you know, determine either the speed, the impact, the warranty, the durability, the brand name, you know, price is a big thing as well. Whatever fits your pocket, your mind, is up to you. So again, I'll put a safety link below for the impact drill for your regular drill situation here, and then some little kits as well that will, you know, enhance what you already have in your drill. So these are my top 2. Let's go to number 3. All right, so number 3, tool number 3 is your handy dandy, y'all see it, measuring, what is it called? A measuring stick, a measuring tape, a measuring tool. It's how you do measurements, okay? You need it. This one is 16 feet. I will not be measuring anything taller than that currently. Again, as a beginner, I don't do anything any longer. I mean, at the end of the day, I can't reach that long, so hey, and I'm doing it by myself. So 16 feet is all you need. Make sure it's something that is very durable and sturdy. This one happens to be the Milwaukee brand. So again, this is a brand that I trust. I would get impact drills and other drills to be Milwaukee, you know, all the other brands, boom, there'll be a link below. DeWalt, all those good things, they are nice. Makita, all of them, very nice brands. I happen to purchase this one because red and black happens to be my top 2 favorite colors, and so that is why I purchased this one. And again, this one is 16 feet. The great thing about this one is it has a little hook at the top. Boom, you can see that hook there, so it catches the wood and I could just stretch it out from there. I don't have to worry about it slipping or trying to put something down like a rock or something to try to hold it in place, but I could just hook it on the end, hook and pull. See, look, let me just show you just the boom, hook and pull, okay? Hook and pull, just like that, get the job done. So you need your measuring tape. Yeah, I'm gonna call it measuring tape, okay? Let me know in the comment section below if I said it wrong. Then you can read that how you say it the right way. Measuring tape, gotta have it. And now number 4, which has been a new addition to my repertoire, is your safety triangle. And this is very nice because it helps you to get the right angles in your cuts. It helps you, that's the main thing, like, and you want your right angles when you're building different things, such as this bench that I built, such as this table that the camera is sitting on, such as another work table that I've also built as well. Everything that I built, I've been using this bad boy. And you know, you sit it like that, you draw your right line and you cut from there and you go from there. Or if you want different angles, boom, this is a 45-degree angle right here. And then you have like 6 inches as well that you can measure at the top. Boom, it has a little, you know, measuring, I guess this would be like a ruler at the top, and you just go. Anyway, boom, this is something that you gotta have. This is something that you want to have when doing your straight cuts, okay? You can just do it, boom, right way, boom, one way, one line, one cut, call it a day. This is what you want, okay? Yeah. Let's go to number 5, which I would say is the most important tool for any pallet project and woodworking in general. You gotta have this one. What is it? Let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and now we have tool number 5, which I would say is one of the most important tools that you can have for any, again, pallet building project or any wood building project in general. And that, my friend, is the handy dandy reciprocal saw. It's like, okay, that, whew, still got some dust in there. That, my friend, is what this tool does and helps you accomplish. And when you're doing your different pallet builds, this is the way that I take apart my pallets if I'm not using a hammer. It will either be a hammer, a crowbar, or my reciprocal saw. When I want to go with ease of use, and if it's a little tight and on there pretty good, this is what I will use. And the thing about this is you can change out the blades. This blade is very specific on cutting wood, okay? You have a wider tooth blade for the wood cutting capabilities, and when you're cutting metal, which is what you will put on when you're separating your pallets, because again, they are put together by way of nails. Nails are metal. You will use the metal attachment, cut through it like butter, well, with a little extra torque, okay? You just grip the top, push down and you'll cut through it every time, I'm telling you. However, when you're using a tool like this, very high powered, if you have it battery, it's also corded. You can have it where you can plug into the electricals, go like that, go very strong. But if you have a battery power operated one like myself, then I recommend you use a battery such as this. This is like your heavy duty battery. It's not the standard, you know, battery that it will come with your tools if you choose to get one like that. And it just gives you more juice, okay? Just allows you to go that much more longer. Like, I love this tool. I will say it's a workout on the forearm when you're using it, and you should wear gloves. Now I had problems, I won't say it was a problem. I used this tool before not wearing gloves, and I did have some bleeding going along depending on how long you use the tool itself. So wear gloves, use a high powered battery, and you should be a-okay. Okay, so again, these are my top 5 tools that I recommend for every pallet builder, every pallet recreator, and you know, woodworker, and anybody who recycles wood, and every woodworking person. These are tools essential to the trade, essential to getting the job done, and will ultimately help you get the desired goals and dreams. Okay? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, again, these are the necessary tools that allow you to build the various projects that you see before you. We have the table that I done, thanks to you. The pallet bench that I did. I am on my pallet deck. I have my pallet bench. I have my pallet work table back there, a pallet chair. I have my raised beds back there. No, I did not build that bench. I will not give it or take any credit. My flower pots that you can see right here, all from pallets. Over here I got my 2x4 bucket, 5-gallon bucket station that I built with the tools that I just showed to you, and I'm showing you all those to show you how beneficial these products are, these tools are, and how essential they are to allow you to do the different builds that you are attempting to build, and ultimately seeing the desired outcomes that you desire to see. So my friends, go and do it. Like I said, I'll put link below to recommended products. They will not be the ones that you see because they are particular to Home Depot, but I know a lot of people may or may not be able to get out, so I will put Amazon links so that you can just easily click 2-day shipping if you have Prime, and it'll be at your door ready to go so you can jump outside to get some projects done. Again, hey my friends, I'll see you. I hope you saw the rack that I did yesterday where I stored all of my different tools, and if not, there'll be a link below for that. You already been told about it, and I love you. I'll see you on the next one, and tomorrow I'll be doing some mulch in the front yard, also using cardboard. So be on the lookout for that video. You'll see it tomorrow. I love you all. I thank you, and until next time, have a great day, because it's a good day to have a good day. So have a good day, because you're good and you deserve it. Okay? All right. Peace.